Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional South Indian dish that's naturally vegan and gluten-free called Arisi Upma Kozhukattai or steamed broken rice dumplings. They're filling, nourishing, and so much fun to eat. So let's get cooking. For the dumplings, here I have 1 cup of basmati rice, 1 tablespoon of toor dal or split pigeon peas, 1 tablespoon of chana dal or split chickpeas, 1 tablespoon of urad dal or white lentils, half a cup of grated coconut, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 10 to 15 curry leaves, 1 dried Kashmiri red chili, 2 Thai chilies, 2 teaspoons worth of chopped ginger, half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. We want to start by adding the rice and toor dal together in a bowl, and we want to rinse this under cold water till the water runs clear. We then want to drain the water with a strainer. We can then spread the rinsed rice and toor dal on a kitchen towel to dry for 15 to 20 minutes or till the excess water has been absorbed. We don't want it to get too dry, and we still want it to retain a little bit of the dampness so it can be blitzed to the perfect consistency. Once the rice and lentils have dried for 15 to 20 minutes, we want to blitz the rice and toor dal in a blender or grinder till coarse. This is the consistency we're looking for. It's totally fine if some of the lentils stay whole. It adds to the texture of the dish. We can then transfer the ground mixture to a plate or bowl. While that mixture is drying, we can finely chop the ginger, the Thai green chilies, and separate the curry leaves from the stems. In a pot on medium heat, here we're adding around 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. It looks like a lot here because my mom is making a giant batch of these dumplings, but I'm giving you the measurements for 1 cup of rice or for 10 to 12 medium-sized dumplings. Once the oil is hot, we can add the mustard seeds and wait for them to splutter. After which, we can add the urad dal, the chana dal, and cook for a minute or so. We're then going to add the red chili after breaking into 2 to release its flavor, along with the hing or asafoetida. We can then add the chopped ginger, curry leaves, and the chopped Thai chilies. We want to cook this mixture till the lentils turn to a reddish brown color, which should take around 3 to 4 minutes. Now that the lentils have a really nice reddish brown color to them, we're going to add 3 cups of hot water into the pot. The ratio is 1:3, so for 1 cup of rice, it's 3 cups of water. And salt to taste. We now want to bring this to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we can add in the grated coconut and mix well. After which, we can add in the coarsely ground rice and toor dal, mix all of this really well, and bring to a boil once again. Once that happens, we want to reduce the heat to medium-low, cover the pot with a lid, and cook for 20 minutes. After the 20-minute mark, if the mixture is still sticking to the bottom, or if you find the rice and lentils are not cooked through, you can add a 1/4 cup of more water, mix everything really well, and cook again for 5 minutes covered. At this point, the mixture should be completely cooked, so we can turn off the element and leave the pot covered on the heat to rest for 10 minutes. We can have the dish as is with some chutney at this stage for a nutritious breakfast or an evening snack or a light dinner. Or for the more traditional version, we can cool the mixture down by spreading onto plates, mold them into spherical dumplings, and steam for 8 to 10 minutes. You can use any steamer of your choice. You know the dumplings are perfectly steamed when they have a beautiful shiny glisten to them like this. You can serve these dumplings with a spicy tomato sesame chutney and some eggplant stew or a nutritious South Indian meal. Since this is a cooked and steamed dish, you can store these dumplings in the freezer for up to 2 weeks and heat and eat when needed. Let me know if you made this dish in the comments below and what you ended up pairing it with. And please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday. And I'll see you next time with another recipe. Bye!